Look closely at these shots. The way the light reflects off the wet pavement, the subtle twitch in the man's eye, the fluid physics of the water. If I told you these were filmed on a Hollywood set, you'd believe me. But every single frame you're seeing right now was generated entirely by artificial intelligence. Welcome back to AI Tools Weekly. Last week, we reclaimed 10 hours of our lives using productivity tools, but today we are spending that extra time on creativity. We are standing at the edge of the AI video revolution. Today, we're mastering the two biggest players in the game, Runway Gen-3 Alpha and Luma Dream Machine. But before we dive into the how-to, let's play a game I call Real or AI. One of these was filmed by a professional drone pilot. The other was generated in 60 seconds by a prompt. Which one is it? 3, 2, 1. If you guessed the one on the left was AI, you're wrong. They're both AI. That is the level of realism we are dealing with now. If you're ready to learn how to create this level of content from your bedroom, let's get started. Runway has long been the gold standard for AI video, but Gen-3 Alpha is a massive leap forward in temporal consistency, meaning things don't just melt into other things anymore. The biggest game changer here isn't just the text to video. It's the image to video workflow coupled with the new camera control features. To get the best results, you shouldn't just type a prompt and hope for the best. Start with a high-quality image, perhaps something you generated in Midjourney or DALL-E 3. Here is the secret sauce. Most AI video looks floaty because the camera movement is random. In Gen 3, we can now specify exactly what the cinematographer does. If I want a dramatic reveal, I'm going to use the horizontal slider to pan right and simultaneously use the zoom slider to pull back. In the prompt box, I'm not just describing the scene, I'm describing the physics. Pro tip: use technical keywords. Instead of saying the camera moves, say cinematic dolly zoom, 35mm lens, high dynamic range. Look at that consistency. The reflections on the glass remain stable as the camera moves. When using Runway, remember the rule of motion. Set your motion slider to about 4 or 5 for realism. Anything higher, and the AI starts to hallucinate weird artifacts. You want enough movement to prove it's video, but not so much that the world falls apart. Runway is perfect for those high-end, polished commercial looks where control is everything. While Runway is the pro studio, Luma Dream Machine is the creative wildcard. Luma's strength lies in its understanding of real-world physics and character consistency. If you want a character to perform a complex action, like drinking a cup of coffee or swinging a sword, Luma often handles the human element better than anyone else. The key to Luma is physics-based prompting. Unlike Runway, where we focus on camera gear, with Luma, we focus on the interaction between objects. Notice how Luma handles the pancake. In earlier AI models, the pancake might have merged with the pan or disappeared mid-air. Luma understands that the pancake is a solid object that must fall back down. Another huge feature is the end frame capability. You can upload a starting image and an ending image, and Luma will keyframe the motion between them. This is how you maintain character consistency. If you have a character in one pose and want them to end in another, Luma calculates the most logical physical path to get there. If your project requires heavy character action or complex object interaction, Luma is your go-to. It's also currently much faster to iterate on. Use Luma for the acting and Runway for the cinematography. Here is the harsh truth. AI video is currently silent, and nothing ruins the magic of a hyper-realistic clip faster than total silence. To truly master the AI video revolution, you have to master the AI audio pairing. For sound effects and voiceovers, we use ElevenLabs. They recently released a sound effects tool where you can describe a sound. For our chef clip, I'll prompt sizzling butter on a hot pan, muffled kitchen ambience, the thud of a pancake landing. But we need a vibe. For that, we turn to Udio or Suno. We don't want a full song with lyrics. We want a cinematic score. I'm prompting Udio for a warm, acoustic folk instrumental, kitchen setting, upbeat but steady. Did you see that? In less than 10 minutes, we've gone from a blank text box to a fully scored, sound-designed, high-definition cinematic clip. This workflow, pairing Runway or Luma for visuals with ElevenLabs and Udio for audio, is the current triple threat of AI content creation. You no longer need a crew of 20. You just need a clear vision and the right prompts. Now, we can't talk about AI video without addressing the elephant in the room: OpenAI's Sora. While the clips we've seen from Sora are breathtaking, it's still not widely available to the public. OpenAI is being incredibly cautious, and for good reason. As these tools become more powerful, the line between creative tool and deception tool blurs. The ethical implications of deepfakes and non-consensual content are serious. As creators, we have a responsibility to use these tools for storytelling, not for spreading misinformation. Always be transparent about your use of AI. The revolution is here, and it's moving faster than any of us expected. Whether you're a filmmaker, a YouTuber, or a small business owner, the ability to generate high-quality video is now at your fingertips. So here is your homework. Go to Luma or Runway, both have free tiers, and try to recreate a scene from your favorite movie. See how close you can get. If you run into trouble with your prompts, drop them in the comments, and I'll help you troubleshoot. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Next week, we're going from content creator to business owner. I'm going to show you a zero-code tutorial on how to launch an entire business, landing pages, logos, and marketing, using only AI in under 10 minutes. I'm your AI expert host, and this has been AI Tools Weekly. The only limit is your imagination. I'll see you in the next one.